We got here the Galaxy Book Pro. This is their, of course, their laptop offering, and they got in multiple colors. The Intel Evo inside. This is a 11th generation processor. It's got 256 or 512 gigabytes of storage, up to a terabyte storage actually. Display is 15.6. It's an Amoled screen, and it's got a 720p HD camera, which is right up top there. The battery is a 68 watt plug, and of course they'll do 20 hours worth of video playback. Inside is the Intel UHD graphics and the Intel Iris Xe graphics, and you can also get it with the NVIDIA MX450 for some of the models, so you can definitely check that out. You can get them in different colors. You had the white, you had the silver, and the mystery blue. The Mystic blue and Mystic gold. Here, let's take a look at some of the side stuff here. Looks like we have a USB-A, got a headphone jack right here, and then of course this looks like a mini card slot right there. Nothing on the back, of course nothing on the front here. And then on this side, it looks like this is where the power is. Of course, we got a security system on there right now. It looks like we got a USB-C. It looks to be a Thunderbolt. I think it's Thunderbolt 3 on this unit, but I wouldn't be surprised within the next year that they'll start adopting Thunderbolt 4 as well. Let's go ahead and close this. Let's see how easy it is to close. Fairly easy. Let's try and open it with one hand. Well, it's not too bad. I can do it. So once again, this is running Windows 11 and the Intel 11th generation Evo processor.